Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about heterocyclic compound, especially nomenclature. You know, heterocyclic compounds is a important compounds and play an important role in biological systems. And you also know the 80% drugs belongs to heterocyclic compounds. So, learning of their characteristic properties, reactions, nomenclature is important for the chemistry students. Now you can see heterocyclic compounds rings with more than one heteroatom. Rings with more than one heteroatom. The usual rule for the stem to indicate ring size and suffixes for degree of saturations are used, as are the prefixes for the various heteroatom. What does it mean? You have here stems. Stems indicate the ring size. Means if you have the OLE, then you understand this is talking about a 5-member ring. Now how OLE, just like you have pyrazole, so OLE is there. So first you understand what is the size of ring. And suffixes for the degree of saturation. It is saturated or unsaturated. It has double bonds or it don't have the double bond. Are used as the prefixes for the various heteroatoms. Now they are listed in the following order of priorities derived from the main groups of the periodic system, and then within each group by increasing atomic number. You can see if you have the group 6, so oxygen greater than sulfur, sulfur greater than selenium, tellurium, like that. If you have group 4th, so NPS, like that. If you have group 4th, silicon greater than germanium, like that. So group 6, then group 5th, then group 4th, and then group 3rd. This listing can be simplified greatly by taking out the most commonly found heteroatoms in their order. So if you have this oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus, then this is the order. Each heteroatom in this given a number found in the ring with that of highest priority given system. A saturated heteroatoms with an extra hydrogen attached to the given priority over the unsaturated from the same atom, as in 1H13 diazoles. So number are groups together in front of heteroatoms listing like 1,3 oxazoles, not 1 oxazole, 3 oxazoles. Why? Because importance is that oxygen will get the one priority, and then sulfur, and then nitrogens. Heteroatom prefixes follow the numbers in the priorities given previously. Now friends, ring with more than one heteroatoms, punctuation is important. In the examples to follow, a comma separated the numbers and dash separated the number from the heteroatom prefixes. I will talk later and I will give you example, then this topic will be very clear to you. So don't worry, just I am giving first point and then I will show you with examples. A slight modification is used when two vowels adjoins. One is deleted, as in the listing of oxaza, which become simply oxaza. As for the monohetero system, substituents on the ring are listed alphabetically with ring atom number for each, not groups together. Now, here you can understand. I will give you very nice example. Then you will get your concept clear. So come with me and look at this example. Here, first examples, pyrazine. Now, just tell me, what is the ring size? 6. So, INE should be there. You can see INE. Now, how many heteroatom? 2. What is the position of heteroatom? If you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 4. So between 1 and 4, you have to give the comma. And between 4 and D means word, you have to put hyphen. So 1, 4 diazine. Now same way you can look at here 1, 3 diazine. Now you can see why oxygen 1 not nitrogen 1, because you know the rule, oxygen will get more priority than nitrogen. Getting my point or not? Yes. Okay, so oxygen will get 1 position because you know the priority. So here oxygen will get more priority in nomenclature compared to nitrogen. So nitrogen positions number 3 and oxygen position number 1. So 1 and 3 separated by comma, and then you can see the ring size. Ring size is 5 member ring. OLE. Now how many heteroatoms? 2 heteroatoms. Both heteroatoms are same? Not. One is oxygen, one nitrogen. So what for the oxygens? Ox. And what for the nitrogens? Aza. Now oxa-aza. So now again oxa and aza. Aza starting with A and oxa end at A. So 2 vowel will not exist or not in the same. So you can drop one and then it becomes the oxazole. 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 Now you understand the positions, you understand the ring, you understand the ring systems, 5 member rings, and then you know the ring contains 2 heteroatom, but different types of heteroatom. One is oxygen and second is nitrogen. Now you can see in third examples 1, 3, 4 oxadiazoles. Again you have the 2 nitrogens, but oxygen is there. So oxygen will get more priority than nitrogen. So starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, now you have the 1, 2 aza, so diaza, and 1 ox. So oxadiazoles. Why? How many heteroatom? 3. So you have to indicate the position of 3 atoms at 1 position oxygen, 3 and 4 positions nitrogens. And then you have to give the how many heteroatom? 3 heteroatom, 2 same type, 1 is different types. So 1 is oxygen, so oxa, and 2 nitrogen, so diaza. Now ring size is 5, so you have OLE. So complete name 1, 3, 4 oxadiazole. 1, 3, 4 oxadiazoles. Again further examples. You can see ring with more than 1 heteroatoms. More example. You can see nitrogens. You already know if nitrogen have hydrogen and nitrogen have without hydrogen. So if hydrogen is there, it will get priority. So 1H and 1, 3 diazoles. It is called imidazoles. Now again NH and oxygens. So oxygen will automatically it will get more priority. You know nitrogens never get priority if oxygen is there. Here why NH getting? Because 2 nitrogen in there, 1 nitrogen different nature, NH is different. So here 4H, 1, 4. 4H you have to write separately, because 4H 1, 4 oxazenes. IN is there 6 member, OL is there 5 member. Now here you can see oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen is there. So What is the priority? Oxygen, then sulfur, then nitrogen. So 1, 2, 4 oxa. How many types of oxygen is different, sulfur is different, nitrogen 3 atom is there, so you have to give the position of 3 atom 1 to 4. Now you have to write the name. Ox thia is, so 3 atoms, oxa thia is, or INE for 6 member. Now you can see here 2 heteroatoms, oxygen, nitrogen, so automatically you know there is a substituents also. So starting from O and then 2 position methyl groups and 3 position nitrogen. So 2 methyl 1 3 oxy for oxygen, as for oxygen as nitrogen, OLE for 5 member. So this is 2 methyl 1 3 oxa. Now friends, you can see here 5 ethyl. Now substituent is there, so you will get the here information about how you will get the priority methyl over ethyl. So ethyl, you know, alphabetical order. Ethyl starting from E, methyl starting from me. So you see 5 ethyl on 4 methyl. Now 1 2 oxazole, 1 and nitrogen will get 2. So 1 2 ox is, our ring size is 5, so OLE. 1 methyl, now you can see 1H. 1 3 diazoles, because this is methyl is coming from 1 hydrogen repellent and methyl emitter source. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to share it in your friend circle. Just make your heart big so that your friend also benefited with this video.